Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to talk about roast turkeys. So this will be launching in the next 21 hours. So of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content every freaking day. This is our normal style, guys. I mean, we review projects every single day, and this is what we're going to do right now. This is also a request from our friends, from a comment section also, to make a content about roast turkeys. I want to know something about it because the things that we see here is really a level up of baked beans. And let's now see. So they do have a white paper. If we are going to click this portion, although the white paper is not that professional, sorry for saying this, but I think the things that we need to know is inside this platform. So of course, like other projects, like other baked beans projects, you cannot get your initial back here because it is a luck rewards pool. So you're just going to get a reward every single day, but the initial, no. So first thing that you need to know when you invest or when you put some money in any other projects, like has like a mechanism of this, take in mind that if you put it, it's final. And of course, I think you're not going to lose here, because if you're going to do the 6 to 1 strategy, which is pretty much popular in the space right now, you're going to make money short term, long term, not a financial advice again. This is just what's working in the community. This is what we see in the community. It is not from me. So of course, this is a BNB, so it's very easy for you to be able to create, or to roast some turkeys. This is the right word, or like put your money into this DeFi project, because you're using basically a BNB, and BNB is also a good long-term coin. If you're going to talk about, like, if you want to have like a long-term crypto investments, it's BNB already, because the quarterly burning mechanism is just really awesome, guys. So what we're going to see here, first of all, the daily return is 10%. So other projects are 12%, 15%, but this project has 10%. So the developer fee is also 3%. So this is pretty much mainly the site. It's very simple. And also, if we're going to look into their contract, let's look at the contract. It is already verified. So as being mentioned, it is already verified, but it's not yet launching. So I think that's a really good additional information that we can see in roast turkeys. And also, if you have other people who are interested, you're going to get 15%, other than baked beans that are just offering 12%. So what do we see right here? This is a brand new project, so we have to know what's going to happen in the future. But of course, I will be putting maybe around 0.1 BNB to start, or even 0.2 BNB, or even just 1 BNB if you're really rich. I mean, it's your choice. But of course, you can start with the minimum amount of maybe 0.01 BNB, which is around $2. It is actually your choice. But of course, the higher money, or the higher BNB that you are going to put inside this platform, or the higher returns, that you can actually earn, because this is pretty much congruent, which means if you have this kind of money, this is the usual amount of money that you will earn. But if you have this money, this is the usual amount of money that you will earn as well. So that's pretty much congruent. So now let's see. These are the Telegram groups that they have. Make sure to join. Make sure to join. This is the roast turkeys official miner. So the white paper just got released last 2 p.m. which is around 10 hours from now, 10 hours before. So if you have any questions, just feel free to get inside this platform or into this Telegram group and just ask any questions. Okay, there's no discrimination in here. You can always ask anytime. All right. So again, this is roast turkeys. The website is this one. Okay, I will be putting the link into the description box below so that you will be also informed about this project. And of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on the next video.